Hey guys, it's Dale. I just wanted to make this quick video of a graffiti alphabet for you. As always, you can see that I'm laying out these individual letters and then I come back with the outlines after that. I wanted to make a video just displaying the alphabet without all the extras, so you can see how I form all these letters. You can see one image of all the letters right there, and in the description here I've included a link to a download so that you can practice these letters themselves if you'd like to. You can open it up in Procreate, or you can just print it and practice it on paper, whatever you want to do. Guys, let me know if this was helpful. If this was something that you want to see more of, if you want to see more styles, please let me know so that I know to do that. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. If you subscribe, it makes you a better person. We know this is a fact, and it also makes me feel cool, which is good also. So please do that. Enjoy this video. Let me know if this is something that you want to see. Thank you all. I love you. I will see you later. Goodbye.